Okay, here we are once again, moving in. We got Shepherd's engine lift. Got his jack there to shim it up to make it level. I learned on the joiner that if you don't get this platform level right here and get a straight shot, it turns into a nightmare pretty quickly. So, there she is. Just a little scale. That's my hand. Kind of see how big it is. That's 9 to my pinky. So 650 pounds. I'm going to move it by myself. I'm going to put some pipes on there. These guys, like this. And I'll roll it. So we'll be back. Okay. It's as easy as that. That wet is the hydraulic fluid. But you can see my pipes there, how good they work. That's how one person can move 650 pounds. So I have my ramp here. These were together like this. And then I had my brake clamped here so it wouldn't roll backwards. And then I just set it down on those pipes. And then you roll it very slowly and carefully. But there she sits in all her glory. Back up so you can get all of it. So it comes to about, I don't know if you can see this, about my chest. So here's the motor lift for the table, 110, and then an old AB 440 volt start stop guy, which I don't know how well that works. And then the reverse, forward, backwards. So there she is. She runs great, I think. Runs forever. Just that little push. So you won't get bored. I'll pause it and come back. So it's still going. This has been about maybe 2.5, 3 minutes. That's how well balanced it is. I'll come back in a second. Okay, about another 2 minutes have gone by here. Total of about 4. I'll show you a little bit extra. This kind of stinks. This is where the light used to be. Gonna have to redo that mount. Maybe Cattail can help me out with that. But that's where the retirement light goes. It's got a nasty old piece of sandpaper there. Kind of see some of the surface rust on the table. I'll be able to clean that off pretty good. Good looking miter slot. Somebody, I wouldn't have been wanted to be there for that. Gouge that out. Show you the motor specs. It's a Dare